This video is showing the origin and evolution of a man about 15 million years after primates called Dryopithecus were existing. They were hairy and walked like gorillas. After them, Dramapithecus evolved. They were more man-like but hairy like chimpanzees and gorillas. These revealed hominid features leading to the belief that about 3 to 4 million years after, man-like primates walked in eastern Africa. They hunted with stone weapons. They were probably not taller than 4 feet but walked up right, and like bones have been discovered in Ethiopia and Tanzania. 2 million years after, Australopithecines probably lived in East African grasslands. Evidence shows they essentially ate fruit. Some of the bones among the bones discovered were different. This creature was called the first human-like being, the hominid, and was called Homo habilis. They used hides to protect their body and buried their dead. Fossils discovered in Java in 1891 revealed the next stage. Homo erectus about 1.5 million years ago. Homo erectus had a large brain around 900 cc. Homo erectus probably ate meat. The Neanderthal man with a brain size of 1400 cc lived in near East and Central Asia between 1 lakh to 40,000 years back. Homo sapiens arose in Africa and moved across continents and developed into distinct races. During Ice Age, between 75,000 to 1 lakh years ago, modern Homo sapiens arose. Prehistoric cave art developed about 18,000 years ago. Agriculture came around 10,000 years back, and human settlements started. The rest of what happened is part of human history of growth and decline of civilizations.